Incremental routines. Now I'm sharing my desktop. It's unlikely to do that. And it's for a reason. It's because there's one feature in File, Installation, that you can install icons. What does that do? This will install Supermemo icons on your desktop and on your Start menu. To remove icons, use right-click and delete them. Continue? Yes. Icons installed. Now you can see, because I'm using Supermemo 19, creates this. Even though the icon is the same one as the Supermemo 18. But if you right-click, you will see that goes there. And if you want to remove it, it's as easy as pop. So at the end of the day, it's the same that if I go, it will have the same effect that if I create create shortcut in the menu. Here you go. Now I have it. I have Supermemo on my desktop because I'm using multiple versions for my convenience. That's not my genuine Supermemo version because I'm running on a slightly older version, the 19.03. So at the end of the day, it's convenience. You actually know that you have triggered something in your, you cleaned your desktop or you had done something in Windows that as a consequence, you got rid of the shortcut, you can generate it. File, installation. Just to let you know that even this seemingly stupid or dummy, almost, borderline dummy, super simple feature is backed. If you use Supermemo 18, I reported that, I remember. If you use Supermemo 18 and you use this feature, it will install icons from previous versions, not from the 18. I forgot it was the 15 or 17 or something like that, but it was installing legacy icons. It's not going to be fixed because who's going to do that when you can just right-click and get the shortcut anyways. So just to let you know, install icons doesn't mean that, hey, I can use icons within Supermemo from now on, all of those that you see, nah. Doesn't mean that. Just in case you thought that, that's why I did the video. It's not what you may think. That's all. See you incrementally.